Hello everyone, it's Hanny. The Facebook group Mixed Media Emporium with Nina Ribena and Kylie Koo. They have this month, I don't know what the big prompt is, making backgrounds or something like that, or ephemera, I'm not sure, but the first week of February was paint background papers. Well, I made a video of that. I put somewhere in the description or in an iCard there in the right top corner, I think. Yeah, put there a link to that video. And I made this one on camera, and I made a few more. This one and this one and this one, and I have a few, this one and this one. These are very neutral. I want to stamp on that, I think, but I'm going to use one of those. I'm not sure which one. Well, could use this one, why not? And what I'm going to do is, oh yeah, the prompt of the second week is, well, make ephemera with it, with the background paper or masterboard you painted. So this is the one I'm going to use. I think I'm going to make something like this, a well, specimen pocket. This one is not ready yet, but I think I'm going to do something like that. So you can put, oh, this is too big, put a little card in it like this, a tag or something like that. So I'm going to make a pocket with a 2.5 inch hole. I think it's 2.5 inch, yes, 2.5 inch hole. You can do smaller, of course. This is a 2 inch, I'm not sure. This is a smaller one. And I think I'm going to make the tag too. I'm going to speed up the video again, and I hope you enjoy watching.